Alright, you guys, time to do some shopping. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well today. As you can tell, I'm outside here, of course, right in front of Jc Penney. And since it is a new year, and as some of you may know, I just moved into a new place, so it's just a whole new decade, a new start to the year. And one of my goals is to be super healthy, even more healthy than normal. I'm ready for a year of wellness, and I'm actually working with Jc Penney. In today's video, I'm gonna go in there, gonna shop for some things. I'm actually looking for, let's see, some blenders, weighted blankets, a bunch of awesome things to help me in this year. And if you guys wanna check out what I purchased, check out Jc Penney's YouTube channel, which is linked down below in the down bar for part 2. This is part 1 of part 2. So without further ado, let's check out what I'm gonna get. So I think I'm looking for a Keurig or some sort of like blender maybe for the new place. I want to know actually, what are some of your goals for 2020? Let me know. But yeah, I'm here looking around some stuff. Let's go see what they have. Temperature regulating comfort memory foam bed pillow. Coolest comfort. What do you guys think? Should we get this or not? It feels really nice. It feels really good. So yeah, I'm excited to share with you also how I, redo the new place and stuff, but okay, so you know you're adulting when you get excited over rice cooker or like a, Instant Pot. I love this. Like, I don't know, when you get a little older, appliances and things like that get you really excited. So I didn't even know they had this here. Never get enough jeans, you guys. Alright, I'm gonna stop. Stop. Do I need shorts? I think I already have enough shorts. I like these. So they have a lot of stuff, variety of stuff. So I see like they have Champion, which is really nice. There's even like red though. That's really trendy at the moment. Champion. Plus, it's a really good brand, I think. Long sleeve. Alright, you guys, I'm all done with shopping. I have a handful of items here, variety of stuff. I can't wait to share with you what I picked up. I have actually more down there that I couldn't, like I had to come back and get more. But anyways, I want to share with you what I picked up. If you want to check out what I picked up, go to Jc Penney's YouTube channel, which I will have linked down below in the down bar. Once again, thank you Jc Penney for working with me in today's video. And with that being said, let's see what I picked up.